the latest inflation data released by the National Bureau of Statistics on Tuesday. It shows that the US CPI increased by 0.9% month-on-month in June. US core CPI increased by 0.9% month-on-month in June. Anti-seasonal new high, the biggest increase in 2008. US June CPI increased by 5.4% year-on-year. US June core CPI increased by 4.5% year-on-year, a 30-year high. Among them, the used car index rose 10.5% in June, soaring for the third consecutive month. In addition, home furnishings and operating indexes have risen. Inflation hit a new high, triggering an increase in market expectations for interest rate hikes. US Treasury yields and the US dollar index both rose. Put pressure on risky assets, among which Bitcoin's decline has expanded. According to the US Federal Funds Rate Futures display, the probability of the Fed raising interest rates in December 2020 rises to 90%. The probability of raising interest rates in January 2023 is as high as 100%. It can be seen that interest rate hikes in the second half of the year are expected to continue to heat up. This will bring challenges to the market in the second half of the year. In addition, Fed official Brad said, as the US economy grows at a rate of 7% and the epidemic is getting better and better controlled, it's time to cancel the Fed's stimulus measures. Brad reiterated that there is currently evidence that US job market recovery. It has reached or is about to reach the threshold for the Fed to cut its debt purchases. Bank of America provides a future taper route. The Fed is expected to be held at the Jackson Hole Global Central Bank annual meeting in August, pave the way for the announcement of the reduction in September. At the November meeting on interest rates, the Fed is expected to hint at the start of the reduction in December or January next year and announce more details of the implementation plan in the minutes of the meeting announced at the end of the month. If the currency market changes drastically in the future, there will be turbulence in the financial market. Investors will look for assets with anti-risk capabilities. The global monetary system has continued to depreciate in the past 10 years. The money in the hands of the people is getting less and less, finally harvested by the rich. So before the crisis comes, you need to prepare in advance. Bitcoin has undergone many tests in the past 10 years. Its value continues to increase, becoming one of the assets to maintain value. If you have any questions, you can write your questions in the comment area.